Today's checkpoint and sticker questions, you're asked to find a missing height question and a missing radius question. Now remember, on the test tomorrow, when you see the missing radius question, in order to solve for this r squared, at some point at the end, you're going to have to do the inverse of squaring, which is square root. So going to number one, first thing with both these types of questions, you plug in what you know. So the volume here is 360 equals 3.14 for pi. The radius is 2, so I'm going to do 2 squared times the height is unknown divided by 3. We know that 2 squared is 4, so I do 360 equals 3.14 times 4 times the height divided by 3. So if I just do this part of my calculator, which seems to be easier than clearing the fraction for people, you get 360 equals 4.19 height. And then the last step, no square rooting here, you just have to divide both sides by 4.19, and you get a height of 85.92 meters, which is huge. It's almost the size of a football field, which we'll hear about at the end of the video. Okay. The next one is number 2. So now the radius question, you plug in what you know. 475 for the volume, 3.14 for the pi there, and the radius is 9. Oh wait, I'm sorry. Radius is not 9 squared. We don't know the radius. That's the whole point. But the height is 9. So when I multiply what I can on the right, I get 475 equals this times this is 28.26 radius squared. Divide each side by the 28.26. And sorry, it's 2. I'm left with r squared equals 16.81. So this was kind of cool the way the question ended, because now I'm going to do that whole square root on both sides. And it's kind of weird that both sides of the decimal, that's a perfect square, 16, and 81 is a perfect square. So your final answer, square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 81 is 9. I guess that doesn't help as much as I thought. So the answer, when you square root, is 4.1, and that is inches for the radius, and that makes me very happy. Go Patriots!